Hi, my name is Bill Connors. I'm with the StuffHere.com. We're affiliate marketing group. That's our goals are to help each other out, figure out new and better ways to make some money online. Not necessarily just with affiliate marketers marketing, but with any kind of process that comes around that we can actually all make some money on and share the information and help each other out. So I'm gonna start off with the affiliate marketing stuff. Um, Basically, I'm gonna have a link probably underneath this video uh, to to take you to a site called Max Bounty. Um, this is an affiliate program. It's an affiliate platform where you can get offers to send people to sites to either buy stuff or fill out forms or whatever it is that they need to do to qualify you to get a commission. Commissions are good. Uh, the return on investments that you're going to have to do is going to be really good. This is a great platform to get started on. But, anyways, you're going to click this link right here where it says become an affiliate, which is going to take you back to this page that I've sort of filled out already with some fake information because my name is not John Smith. I said what it was at the beginning. So fill out this information, fill it out correctly, um, answer security questions, and make sure that you write those down if you have to make one if they don't have something in here that you can relate to or remember. Make sure you remember those. That's so you can recover your account. Um, Contact information again, accurate. Everything honestly, address honestly. This is the meat and potatoes of this application here. I guess you could call it. Um, they're going to ask you what your experience is, and most of you are going to say that I'm a complete beginner, but you may want to say I have a little bit of experience, but I've never received a payment from a network. Okay, that's fine. They don't really care. They just care how you answer that. So I'm a complete beginner. If you want to put that, I would go to the I've had a little experience. So so basically, what you could say is that I have done all the research on affiliate marketing and know that this is what I want to do and know how to set it up, and I'm going to devote 100% of my power to make this successful. They'd love to hear that. Um, how do you intend to promote offers? Well, I intend to use Facebook, social media, to drive people to the sites. Or you could say that you could say I'm going to do pay per click. I'm going to do Google AdWords. I'm going to do Bing ads. I'm going to use YouTube videos. I'm going to do whatever it takes to get people there. Um, what offers are you looking for? Email signups seem to be real simple to convert. It doesn't take a lot on behalf of the person going to those places, and hopefully they really honestly, when they saw the link, the ad that you placed, that they're like, oh yeah, I wanted to do that, so off they go. They're gonna sign it with no problem. You're gonna get a commission. Um, Website URL. That's another one. You could say if you have a website, you could send them that website. If they don't, if you only have a Facebook, uh, you could just give your Facebook address, and if you have a fan page on Facebook, you could send them to that. But you can explain to them, my whole goal is that once I start getting the sites to drive people to, I'll create fan pages and send people through there. Um, this is the most important question. Is this account an incentive for incentive traffic? Incentive traffic basically means that you're going to give somebody something to go to somebody's site. Most of the people in Max Bounty, most of the campaigns don't accept incentive traffic. And basically the reason why is because I mean, if you're going to offer somebody something to go to somebody else's site, um, they don't have any control over what it is that you're giving. So rather than that, they just don't accept it at all. So if they find out you're paying people to go to a site and fill out a form, they're gonna blackball you. So uh, I made the mistake of saying yes because I was new, and when I put in my information here, they set up my account as I'm an incentive affiliate, and I'm going to give people stuff to go to these sites, and that didn't work too well with my account because there's not many campaigns that allow for incentive traffic. So just put no, and you don't have to explain anything here. Last part, terms. They'll, check these boxes. If you need to read terms and conditions, go there. There are some terms and conditions that you may want to know. It's nothing bad. It's just they're looking for honest people. So you're going to get a phone call to get approved, and a lot of people get nervous with that because they don't know anything about being an affiliate. That's okay. I'm gonna have another link down here very soon, explaining how what an affiliate actually is, what an affiliate does. By the time you get the phone call, you'll be able to come back to my site and get an answer for what they're looking for. So I hope this has been helpful. Uh, Feel free to shoot me an email. Um, there's contact forms on the site. So have a great day and good luck to you.